Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I just ordered something from Amazon, and it is called dryer vent cleaning brush. Here's my dryer right here. I never cleaned the vent before. I have a metal vent right here, and inside this bag right here. So this one you can order as I got right here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 section right here, 9 section, and each section is about 17 inches. And so I ordered the shortest one. You can order as long so if you connect the 9 together, it's about 13 feet, and you can go to they have a length like 16 feet, 20 feet, 24 feet, 26 feet, 30 feet. So, and then we got the brush head right here. So basically see, the brush head would fit into that vent right there. You go through. It's so simple right here. Just connect this to a drill. One of this section right here, just keep adding it. See, like that. And if you don't need that long, you just screw the brush head into one of this section right here. Like that. So you would push this, you would go outside basically. You just go outside there and then just push this through. This is flexible as a flexible plastic right here. Like that. And if you need more length, just connect one more into it. Just keep connecting it until you reach down the bottom right there. And you would clean a lot of those lint, a lot of dust out of that vent. As you can see right here, load into the dryer. Look at how dirty it is. You can see how dirty it is. Look at. So this is your filter right here. So see how dirty it is. Imagine how dirty it is inside there. So it's a good idea to clean, your vent. Maybe once a year or so, because if it's a lot of stuff like this, like get stuff in there, you can catch fire. So it's not a good idea. So clean your vent, the dryer vent, maybe once a year. And this is the tool to do it. Yep, all you need is a drill, and you can put the and just connect the brush head to the tip right here, and then turn it on. And if you need more length, just add more section to it. Keep adding more section to it until you reach the bottom. So this is the inside. This is my dryer right here. It's a Maytag. It's a pretty good dryer. It's about 9-10 years old already, so it's a pretty good dryer. And let's see, I'm gonna go outside, and you do this from the outside, not from the. You don't need to take move the. One good thing about this, you don't need to move the dryer out here. You just do it from the outside. Just keep going down and then clean everything out, and then what you do, just turn on the dryer a little bit and push all the debris out. So let's go outside and then try to work on this. Alright, this is my vent right here. My vent opening from the outside right here. So what I need to do is just take a few of this off. See, I can pop this off. Okay, you can pop this off. Alright. Yeah, you can take this off or just pop this part off. So push this brush head in. So you can see right here it's coming out. it's working. See how Alright. See, it's working, so we can add another section. And we want to go a little deeper. So let's add another section in here, just to screw it in. Right here. I think it's a good idea to put a little tape on it. I'm gonna go get a little tape. See, when you screw it in right here, sometimes you have to see, you're screwing in the section right here, but just to be safe, I don't want this to come off, you know, inside the vent. So it's gonna be bad if it come off inside there. You gotta take everything out, you know, move the dryer just to get in there. So what I do is just put a little duct tape on it, just to be safe. Yeah. Put a little duct tape on it. You don't want this to come out inside in there. So this one just adds some strength into the, so you know that it's not gonna come out. So okay, now just put it back in. All right, now we can go back in. So just go back and forth, back and forth. See, so back and forth in there. All I need to do is just keep adding more section in until we reach on all the way to the bottom. Let's do it again. This thing is so flexible, so I'm gonna add one more section. I think maybe the next one more section to it. All right, I think it's now I'm gonna go downstairs and turn on the dryer. Just turn on the dryer. Let's see, push all that thing out. Let's see. I might have to add one more section to go all the way to the bottom. So it's about 9 feet from here all the way down. I measured. So far I only got 6 feet. So add one more. So add one more just to clean all the way to the bottom. So when the dry turn on, just do with this. One more time. So as you can see, now it's pretty clean. Now it's pretty much clean. See, nothing coming out now. So you can feel it. It's very clean now. You don't see any debris coming out. So that's how you clean the dryer vent. Buy this simple product right here. So depend how long your dryer vent is, you have to buy the longer one. Mine is only about 9 feet, 9 to 9.5 feet long. So and mine is a metal one too. Metal vent doesn't collect a lot of dust in there. But if you have one of those foil, that's really collecting a lot of dust. And so buy they come with 10 feet, 13 feet, I believe 13, 15, 20, even 30 feet. So the longer the extension, the more you pay for it. So you should do this once a year, and just to be safe, so that you won't it will clog up in there too much debris in there when you turn on the dryer, and the air cannot come out. It can cause fire to your house. So it's simple, it's cheap. You don't need to hire anyone to do this. You can do it yourself. For $10, it's not bad. It's only take maybe 10-15 minutes to do it. And so I hope you learned something here. Next time you should make it a routine to do this once a year, so you will not cause fire. So as you can so thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.